Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana ba'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pauna mensahe ninyo, Feast of Plenty. Ayan, there are choices and their consequences. Ayan, so siguro, Pisces, meron kayong kinakaharap ngayon na iba't ibang klaseng choices, meron kayong pinagpipilian. So, make sure na before you jump into something dito, bago kayo mamili, no? Pag-isipan ninyong mabuti kung alin yung best para sa'yo. Makakatulong siguro sa inyo mas maganda if you're going to tune into your intuition. Sundin ninyo kung anong bulong sa inyo ng inyong intuition, because for sure dadalhin kayo niyan sa tamang choice, sa tamang decision na alam ninyo, no, kung anong maaaring maging consequence ng decision ninyong yan. Okay? We have Beloved, ayan, radical acceptance. Siguro ngayon matututo na din kayo na tanggapin kung ano ang mga nangyayari sa buhay ninyo, na wala na kayong pagkokontrol, wala na kayong pag-question. Alam mo yun, na maaaring matututo na kayo ngayon na tanggapin kung anong mga bagay na nag-unfold sa buhay ninyo, because that is part of life, diba? There is a surrender energy din dito akong napipick up for some of you. We have number 53. Yan, stranger, curiosity. Siguro, you are curious about something dito, no? Siguro merong bumabagabag sa isip ninyo, kaya maaring nag-i-interview kayo ng mga ibang tao, maaring inaalam ninyo ang mga dahilan, or maybe meron kayong pinag-aaralan talaga because you want to discover something, no? We have number 55. This is synchronicity. So I suggest you please look up for the meaning of number 55 for more guidance po, okay? Bold step forward. Ayan. So, you are taking that bold step, no? As you head towards whatever your plan is. Sa ngayon, mag-ano kayo ngayon? Parang you are taking a leap of faith sa ngayon. Susubok kayo ng mga bagay na hindi pa ninyo nasusubukan before. You are going to tawag dito, try or enter uncharted territory, no? Pisces, yung ganon. So, you're up for change, no? You're up for change, you're up for expansion, yung ganon. Handa na kayong lumabas sa inyong comfort zone at this time. We have number 57, revelation. Ayan, so, maaaring meron ditong secret that is coming to light, no? Maaring meron kayong i-reveal na secret about yourself. You're going to share that with the world na, no? Maaring i-disclose nyo na yan, or maybe someone is going to reveal some truth, no, sa inyo. Maaring ganun ang ganap dyan. Or this could be a path, no? Maaring meron kayong hinihinging clarity of thought, or maybe nagpe-pray kayo for clear direction of where you're heading, maaring ganon. And maybe, that path will be revealed to you by the divine through intuitive messages. Kaya, importante na makikinig talaga kayo sa inyong intuition. Importante na makikinig kayo sa gabay ng divine universe sa inyo, because your path, no, na dapat inyong puntahan will be revealed to you. What else? We have number 16. It's time to replenish empty well. Parang empty na kayo. Drained na kayo. Pisces, siguro you are energy drained, burnout na kayo. Kaya iniimbitahan kayo ngayon, no, na mag-replenish. Kailangan nyo nang magpahinga. Kailangan nyo nang recharge, kasi empty na kayo, no? It's time to replenish, otherwise masasaid na kayo. You would have no love to share, you would have no energy to use para makapag-serve pa kayo ng ibang tao, makatulong pa kayo sa ibang tao, or ma-perform ninyo ang inyong mga duties and responsibilities, okay? Pahinga din, Pisces, pag may time, okay? Or in this case, you must make time for yourself, no, na makapagpahinga kayo, okay? What else? We have number 59. wailing tree, reconciliations. So, this is good kasi magkakaroon na din kayo ng relax na isip. Marirelax na din ang inyong damdamin because you would be able now to reconcile with the people na siguro medyo baka may hindi kayo pagkakaintindihan in the past, may away na nangyari, no? May communication gap, but now you are going to reconcile. May forgiveness na dito, may acceptance and forgiveness of what happened. Kaya magandang move ito. So what else? We have winter's dream, gestation period. Ayan. So you are siguro naghahanda kayo, no? Maybe you are preparing for something dito and nandito kayo sa sa paghahanda, no? Sa pag-aalaga ng inyong pangarap siguro or kung ano man ang goal ninyo, dream ninyo dito, maybe you're preparing for that. Siguro ginagawa na ninyo ngayon ng mga bagay na kakailanganin ninyo before you take action towards realization of those dreams or for accomplishing those tawag dito, your goals, no? So good luck, Pisces, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.